So today in this class I'll tell you about macro, how macro works, and then at last I will tell about sharing a spreadsheet. How can you share your spreadsheet? Got it? So students, first of all, talking about macro. Macro is used to record your work. Whatever work you are doing on a spreadsheet, it will record your work. And see here what I have done, I have taken a name of student Ravi and I have taken 3 subjects here and I have assigned some marks. So what I will do, I will record their total, and then on the second sheet there is another one student Ramesh, and I will use my macro here. I will show you how. So moving on to the sheet 1, going to the tools, macros and record macro. So students, where I have gone? I have gone to tools, macro and record macro option I have selected here. So now I am recording my macro. So what is the formula? I will apply B2 plus B3 plus B4. So now this is a formula for finding out the total. So now we have our total, that is 230. Okay students. So now what I will do, I will stop recording it. So now as I stop recording, now I will move to macros.ods. This is the name of my file. It is macros.ods. So I'll click on this plus. I'll see what is there. There is a standard file, but I have to do nothing with this. So on my file, that is macros, first of all I'll create a library. So I'll create a library. So the name of the library is library 1. I'll click on OK. As you can see, in school also you have a library, and where you what you put in the library, books. So here I'll have to create a module. So within a library there is a main module, but we have to do nothing with this module. So we can create our own module. So I'll give a name to my module here, and within a library, which was library 1. See, under my file I have created a library with the name library 1, and within that I am giving a name to my module. So name is total. Okay, I am giving a name, and the name of my macro is now total, students. Got it? So this is the work we have done in this sheet. Now I save this work. So I have saved this work. So moving back, I'll assign some marks here like 78, 90, 89. Now what I have to do here? So I'll call my macro here. So students, for that I'll have to go to the tools, then macros. But here what I will do, I will choose run macro option, because I have already created a macro. So here I click on the run macro option. So see what will happen now. As I click on the run macro option, it will ask something. It will take time, students, because I don't have Java runtime program here. So it will take 5 to 10 seconds sometimes. Okay, then a dialog box will appear here. See, now this dialog box has come. Now again I will open my file by clicking on this plus. Okay, within that I have a library, I have a module under the library. Now my module was of total. So I created a macro with the name total. So I have selected it. Now what I will do, I will click on run. See what will happen as I click on run. I am able to get the total for Ramesh. So here what I meant to say, that I have recorded a formula. You can record your entire sheet, but with an example I have shown you that I have recorded a formula for finding out the sum for 3 subjects, and I called it on the second sheet. So for that I went to tools, macro, now run macro. A dialog box appears. Click on your file, go to module and run your macro. So you will be able to get your result, the output. So student, this way macro works. Macro is used to record our work. Got it, students? Now I'll tell you that how can you share a spreadsheet. To share a spreadsheet, what we can do, we can go to the tools tab and we can share our document. So sharing sometimes important, students, if we want that 5 to 6 candidates and they are working on a single spreadsheet, and someone is working on sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and at last they can do updation, and all the updations can be seen by a reviewer. Okay, so for that purpose we can share our spreadsheet, so that multiple persons can work at a time on a single spreadsheet. So clicking on the share document, so here it is asking that share this spreadsheet with other users. Yes, I want to share this. Okay, now it will ask for the path. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now say students, once I have shared, now here what it is written? It is written that now my workbook is in a shared mode. Okay, so if shared is not written, it means you are working on a normal spreadsheet. If you have saved it, going to the tools and share a worksheet, then a shared here it is written that shared. You can identify it whether it is shared or not shared. What is students? So this was sharing a worksheet and a macro. So students, now please listen to it very carefully, watch the video, and with this this chapter is completed. Thank you students.